Hey, what's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to XReview, the channel where we dive deep into all things tech-related. Today, we've got something special straight from AaliExpress, the 2.1 channel amplifier that goes by the name of ZK-MT21. I'll put the link in the description below. I know many of you have been asking about this one, so I grabbed it, tested it out, and I'm ready to spill the details. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our tech adventures. Alright, let's crack this baby open and see what's inside. First up, we've got the main unit, neatly packed with all the accessories. The build quality seems decent, and casing got a sleek design. This amplifier is packed with features, boasting a 2.1 channel setup with a 50-watt output for the main channels and an additional 100 watts for the subwoofer, all powered by the TPA3116D2 chip. It's got Bluetooth connectivity, a 3.5mm jack, and a neat set of 5 controls for main volume, treble bass, and subwoofer frequency and volume. Looks promising, right? Let's assemble this boy first. Now, installation-wise, it's a breeze. I've hooked it up to a Toshiba double speaker system for OR at 4 ohms and a Audio 8-inch subwoofer also playing at 4 ohms. Now, for the power supply, we're using a 19-volt, 6 ampere old ASooS laptop charger. Alright, enough chit-chat, let's crank it up. Connected via Bluetooth, we fire up the first track, and immediately we notice the sensitivity in the satellite channels and the impressive dribble in the bass. The bass might leave some wanting more, but it's a decent balance. Not too lacking, just about right. I'm liking what I'm hearing so far. No more protection issues, and the Bluetooth is singing smoothly. Let's talk heat. Even at 80% volume, it's holding up well, staying within tolerance. It seems safe, and I appreciate that. We even tested it at a distance of 10 meters, and it's still delivering. In conclusion, for the price, this kit is offering 200 watts in total. Not bad at all. Comparable models with the original TPA chip might set you back $350 to $400, making this a steal. Just make sure you get a solid power supply, I recommend 10 amperes for that extra peace of mind. For the satellite channel, it's rocking 50 watts, not too shabby. And there you have it, folks, the full rundown on the ZK-MT21 amplifier. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your audio-loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Until next time, this is XReview signing off. Peace out.